Your truck is your business's most important asset, so it only makes sense to keep it running smoothly. Still, the downtime can deter some truck drivers from keeping up with the proper maintenance intervals. Today we will be discussing the top 5 reasons why it is important to keep up with your truck's preventative maintenance schedule.
Reason number 1, improves driver safety. Unexpected breakdowns or defective equipment can put you in a vulnerable position. Preventative maintenance identifies faulty parts ahead of time so you can replace them before they become a hazard. This in turn means safer conditions for the owner-operator and other motorists.
Reason number 2, reduces repair costs. System failures are often less expensive when caught early on. Repair costs and towing expenses associated to a breakdown add up fast. In some instances, preventative maintenance can end up saving you thousands in the long run.
Reason number 3, extend the life of your truck. Even when it doesn't catch major issues, consistent maintenance visits can contribute greatly to the overall health of your vehicle. This in turn can add to your truck's lifespan.
Reason number 4, prevents unscheduled downtime. Owner-operators run on a tight schedule. Untimely breakdowns can mean late pickups and deliveries and reduce revenue. Preventative maintenance can require a little bit of downtime, but it can help you save time when it matters most. In some cases, you can schedule preventative maintenance when you go home for your home time.
Reason number 5, boosts fuel efficiency. Fuel is one of the biggest expenses for owner-operators. Regular lubrication, oil changes, and fuel filter replacements keep engines running efficiently. Also, keeping your tires at the recommended PSI can help boost fuel efficiency.
Now that you know why keeping up with your truck's preventative maintenance is so important, it's up to you to make it happen. SFI makes preventative maintenance more manageable with the 24/7 Emergency Roadside Assistance Program. SFI also has a maintenance program that helps you prepare for planned and unplanned repairs. Check us out at sfitrucks.com or give us a call at 800-521-5859 to find the right truck for you.